Welcome to NK channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, press the notification button so that whenever I'm on, you guys gonna come and cook with me. So today I'm gonna be making fresh fish, point and kill. So as you can see, this is the fish. This is all the ingredients I'm gonna use: onions, yellow pepper, scent leaf. I'm not just gonna put too much ingredients on it. I just want it to taste natural, like normal natural taste. So please keep watching. You're gonna love this. Thank you. This one is the Maggi. This one is the scent leaf. This one is the yellow pepper. I just want it pepperish. I want it hot, so that's why I'm using 3 pieces of yellow pepper, because it's good. This one, bell pepper, just to make it colorful, like so tantala, just to make it rich, because sometimes my kids like to use the soup to eat rice. So as you guys can see, the fish is in the pot right now. The onions is there, the Maggi is there, the yellow pepper is there. The reason is just because the fish is not gonna be long when I'm cooking it, so because I don't want it to be too soft. It's just highest thing is gonna be 15 minutes, then everything is done. So the last thing I'm just gonna put here is scent leaf. Right now I'm putting water, so I'm just gonna turn on my stove and cover. I just put a little bit of water, so that if you cook like 5 minutes, I'm just gonna put a little bit. As you can see, this is the quantity of water I just put on it, so that when I cook it, it's just gonna be water, because if you are eating fish, you're supposed to be drinking the water. So keep watching, you're just gonna love it. Everything inside, even the bell pepper, then you cook. The fish is almost. So right now I'm gonna put the scent leaf. And cover it about 2 to 3 minutes. It's done. As you can see, it's done. Ready to eat. This is my fish. This fish is so immaculate. So right now I'm done making the fish. As you can see the outcome of the fish. Please don't forget to subscribe, press the notification button and like. Thank you.